Caillou, are you ready to get a new toy?
Yeah.
Okay, sweetie, pick out anyone you'd like.
I want this one.
Okay, sweetie, take out your Legos.
I love Legos.
Hey, Caillou, what do you have there?
Mommy let me go to the store and buy a toy, so I got a classic Lego set with 1500 pieces.
Oh, wow, 1,500 pieces. Quite swell, sport. Did you know 1500 is 1,500?
What colors do you have there, sweetie?
Well, there's green, blue, purple, red, orange, brown, beige, white, pink, and my favorite color, yellow.
Okay, sport, what are you gonna build?
It's a surprise.
Okay, sweetheart, open it up.
Yay.
Wow, champ, it's looking like something. Looking good.
Thanks, Daddy. I'm building a tower.
Looking good there, sweetie.
I love Legos. Caillou, can Rosie play Legos too? No, Rosie. These are my Legos.
Up, up. Remember, Caillou.
Sharing is caring.
That's right. Sharing is caring.